Quizizz focus mode. Once you've created your quiz, go ahead and start your quiz with your students. Today we're going to look at test mode, and we're going to turn on focus mode. Once we start this, we are offered a test code. I'm going to copy that. You'll see on the right side of the screen is what students will see. On the left is what you see as this instructor. Notice that you can attempt this quiz once, but anytime you leave the full screen quiz, the instructor is notified. The instructor starts it. You'll see the student name, how many questions they've completed, and even more important, let's say the student exits out of the test. As soon as they exit out of the test, the teacher is then notified that that student, this particular student, has left focus mode. So if your light speed isn't working, you can go ahead and go over to that student's device, see what they're doing. Maybe they're over here looking up government agency for taxes, and clearly that's frowned upon. So you can either remove the student, or perhaps if it's just like a dead battery, dismiss and let the student resume the test. Once you end the quiz, return home, click on reports, and navigate into your quiz to see more data on how that student engaged and participated in that assessment. You'll see the answers. If they did get out of focus mode, you'll see how long and when. In addition to individual student data, you will see question data, how many students missed question 1, 2, 3, what sort of accommodations were used, the whole class overview of each question, and you can share these out. Have fun quizzing.